Cheers to many more, celebrating the moments together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're unraveling the meaning behind the cheerful phrase, cheers to many more. It's a phrase you'll often hear in celebrations and moments of joy, and understanding its use will not only boost your English skills but also enrich your cultural awareness. So, let's get started. The phrase, cheers to many more, is made up of two key parts. The first word, cheers, is traditionally used as a toast during celebrations, originating from the old custom of clinking glasses together in goodwill. The second part, to many more, is a shorthand for wishing for more instances of whatever is being celebrated, whether it's birthdays, anniversaries, or any success. Cheers to many more is versatile and can be used in various celebratory contexts. It's perfect for birthdays, wishing the person more happy years ahead, anniversaries, celebrating the continuation of a relationship or marriage, achievements, acknowledging successes like promotions, graduations, or milestones. To use it, simply raise your glass during a toast and say, cheers to many more, followed by the specific occasion if you wish, like, cheers to many more years of friendship. It's a way to show optimism and support for future successes and joys. Understanding cheers to many more also offers insight into English-speaking culture's emphasis on celebrating milestones and looking forward to the future with positivity. It reflects a collective desire to cherish good moments and hope for their recurrence. This phrase is more than just a toast. It's a shared expression of goodwill and hopefulness. Cheers to many more is a beautiful phrase that encapsulates the joy of celebrating life's special moments and the hopeful anticipation of future blessings. We hope this video has not only helped you understand its meaning and use but also inspired you to embrace and share the positivity it represents. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about connecting with others and celebrating together. Cheers to many more learning adventures together. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.